Hey, roofing business owners, what if I was to tell you that there's a way to bring a steady stream of customers to your roofing business every single day, every single week, without depending on anyone else? So this video is for anyone who owns a roofing business, whether you specialize in roof repairs, roofing installations, or even emergency roofing services. Now, most roofing businesses heavily rely on word of mouth or using lead generation companies. But what happens when referrals dry up, or when lead generation companies increase their prices, change their terms, or even worse, disappear? It leaves you stuck waiting for the next customer to call you, and that's no way to grow your business. The good news is you don't have to depend on anyone else. There's a proven way to control your customer flow, grow your roofing business, and dominate your local area, and it all starts with Google. Think about it. Where do customers go when they're looking for a roofer? When someone needs a roofer, where's the first place that they go to? It's not Facebook, and it's definitely not that big yellow book now called Yell.com. It's Google, because Google is where customers are searching with the highest intent. They're actively looking for someone to fix a roof leak, install a flat roof, or provide an emergency repair service right now. So if your roofing business isn't visible on Google, you're losing out to those customers who are actively looking to book you today. Worst still, your competitors are taking your business away. Before I continue, my name is AJ Duna. I've helped hundreds of roofing businesses just like yours to turn Google into the most powerful growth tool for their business. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you 3 simple yet highly effective strategies that can bring customers straight to your phone and get that phone ringing, get your diary booked up. And make sure you stick around. I want you to make sure you do stick around, because in the end, I'll be sharing with you one of the most powerful tips that most of your competitors are not using, and one that could boost your conversions by at least 20%. Strategy number 1, Google Maps, which is now called Google Business Profile. So when people are searching for terms like roof repair near me, or emergency roofer, or flat roof installations in Birmingham, Google Maps is often the first thing that they will see on the Google page. So optimizing your business profile ensures that businesses appear at the top of the local search results, so at the top of the Google page. What this does is that it ultimately boosts your visibility. It helps build an instant trust through customer reviews and drives calls, telephone calls, directly to your phone. The main benefit of this is that more calls, more leads, and more customers without spending a penny on ads. The second strategy is website SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. So your website should work for you 24 hours, 7 days a week as a salesperson for your business. When optimized for Google, it ranks higher for search terms like roof replacement, emergency roof repairs near me, or roof leaks, whatever your business is. What this means is that your website is constantly bringing you new customers even while you're asleep. So the main key benefits of SEO for roofers is long-term sustainable customer growth that works for you around the clock. The third strategy is using Google Ads for roofers. So if you want faster results, Google Ads let you skip the line and jump straight to the top of the Google search page. So by targeting high intent keywords like roof repairs near me, emergency roofers, or flat roofer installations, you can attract customers who are actively looking for your services. And the best part is that you only pay when someone clicks clicks to go to your website, or they call you directly from the Google page. So the key benefits of using Google Ads for roofers is that it's immediate results from people who are actively looking to book your services right now. So if this sounds like what your roofing business needs right now, don't wait. Click the button below or in the description below and book a free strategy session today. I will personally show you how these strategies can transform your roofing business. Now, earlier on, I promised you a power tip that most of your competitors are not using. So here's something that most roofing businesses overlook. Ask yourself, what happens when you get a lead through your inbox or through an SMS message? For most roofing businesses, owners, those leads sit in their email box, or sometimes they get forgotten because you're busy and they get left unaddressed. But here's the thing, people are busy, life gets in the way, and even with the best of intent, they forget about the inquiries that they may have had. This is where automation can completely change the game. With some very simple tools, you can stay in touch with your leads from the moment they make an inquiry to the time that they confirm a booking. What it allows you to do is that you can send them automatic reminders, confirmations, and even follow-ups all automatically, so you're keeping in touch with these people. This simple strategy can increase your conversion rates by 20% at least, because it ensures that your customers don't slip through the net. And the best part is that I can show you exactly how to set up this strategy. Here's the reality. Your competitors are already investing in these strategies every single day you wait. They're winning customers which you could have otherwise have had. So Google is where your customers are searching. If you're not visible, then you're invisible. So you might think this is complicated or expensive, but that's exactly why I am here. I've helped roofing businesses just like yours to achieve incredible results with a straightforward, affordable strategy tailored to their business. So are you ready to take control of customers flowing into your business and stop relying on unreliable referrals or lead generation companies? What I'd like you to do is click the link below, book a free strategy session with me right now, and in this strategy I'll uncover some of the greatest opportunities in your local market and create a clear plan to help you dominate Google fast. So don't wait, your competitors are certainly not waiting. The future of your business is in your hands. Click on that button below or in the description below, and let's make Google work for your roofing business. Take care and look forward to seeing you on the other side.